white Toyota Innova with plate number NCD5421. When the Toyota Innova was traversing from BGC on their way home to Ayala, Alabama, they were engaged in a road rage with the driver of a black Mercedes-Benz. At that instance, the driver occupant of the Mercedes-Benz suddenly fired shot using an unidentified type of firearm towards the moving Toyota Innova. Bigla na lamang nagpaputok ng baril at bumaril itong driver ng Mercedes-Benz. Dahil dito, tinamaan ang pasahero, hitting the right passenger window that passed through the back of the right shoulder of the driver victim. The PNP leadership is now preparing to file a case of murder against the suspect, and we are committed to bringing justice to the victim and his loved ones. At this point, I would like to again commend the swift action of the Philippine National Police. So ito yung suspect na parang sinabi ko kanina, nagpasunod sa parapin, nag-match yung baril, nag-match yung mga suspects na nag-produce sa kanila. So ito yung ginamit ko kanina sa